someone on the call was asking for how we go through the screeners.
Yeah.
So on TradingView stock screener, you could choose which stock market you are looking. If you are looking for US stocks, you could select this. If you are looking for Canadian stocks, select Canadian. And in filters, you just need to select common stocks if you're looking for stocks, or if you're looking for ETF, you could select ETF. So for our discussion, we'll select common stock. Then look at these three dots. On this, you could select which are the indicators you would like to choose based on which you screen your stocks. So the indicators which we mostly look last is last traded price, the last closing price of the stock. We need volume, then we'll go to CCI was up. This commodity channel index CCI, then Williams percentage range.
Pick up RSI also. 14,
Also
14,
14,
14.
yeah.
And Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger.
Okay, so based on this now in volume.
Yeah, volume. Enhance the filter. Go further. 500.
500K.
Yeah, I actually go 750K or more.
Okay.
Now you take your last value. Above
or equal.
I take above
5.
10 or 15. You can take whatever you desire.
Okay. I'll take about 10.
No, you take above 5. I'll give you good ones. It will give you your lovely stocks.
Yeah. 5, then CCI is below
or equal to
minus 100
minus
or
100,
minus 25.
minus 100, minus 75 as you desire.
Okay, I'll keep minus
100
100.
कर ले.
Yeah.
Minus 100 कर ले.
And then Williams are below.
Minus 75 or minus 85. RSI.
RSI below or equal.
Below
30.
or equal to
how much?
40 कर दे.
40.
And run. How many you got? 7.
Yeah, we have 7 with BlackBerry at the top. So BlackBerry has come up in our screener as well. Then
do one thing. Also add parabolic SAR.
Okay.
PSAR. Bas. Right? Now, anybody wants to divulge any secrets?
We are waiting to hear next secret.
Next secret, all right. Now, you can actually see, you can sort them by Williams R. Just click on Williams R and the whole thing will get sorted by in whatever order. Right? So now the highest is minus 99. This is anyway very, very negatively down. Now, if you look very carefully, there is an alphabet B, N, or S next to each indicator. B is for buy, N is for neutral, S is for sell. All right. Now, let's look at Imperial Oil or Cineplex Incorporation. Let's look at Cineplex.
Okay, CGX.
It's getting ready to buy up, move up at the lowest point of the day, right from June onwards. Low of 6.5. Now, minute I see 2 green candles, I will enter this trade. Minute I see 2 green candles, I'll enter this trade for target of 10. Target of 10, not even 16, 10. Not even 16. Kaval, 10.
Okay.
2 green candles. I've already seen 1 green, then I've seen 1 red. Last is the red. If I see 1 or 2 green candles, I will take the low of the last candle, which is 16.53. So currently ruling at 16.89. No, currently ruling at 16.7.
6.
6.7. 6.7. So I can take a stop of 6.5, target of 10.
So Vivek sir, you are talking about like 6.532. It's a good buying price, right?
Because it is the lowest in the last 4 months.
Exactly. Yeah, I bought that this Cineplex before 3 4 months. I forgot about it. I gained like 5 to 10%, and then
That's
made
a
a
good
exit.
profit margin.
Yeah,
5 to
then
ten
made a
percent is a
mix.
very good profit margin.
Yeah, with the Cineplex. Yeah.
Yes, I believe they are into what? Into theater, movie cinema house,
Yeah,
Yes,
Cineplex.
yes.
right? So which should be opening up shortly. Globally, things have started moving up for cinema halls.
Yeah, around this time there was some news about theaters opening here in
Yeah,
Toronto. So
exactly.
yeah, that's when it took up. And
If I give you the same logic, it's currently at 6.7. I'm buying it at 6.65 or buying at 6.7 with a stop loss of only 20 cents for a target of about what 10 or 9.7. I'm taking a $3 run for a stop loss of 20 cents. So I'm doing target of what 1 is to 15 or more. Yeah, 1 is to 15. My risk reward is 1 is to 15, right? 3 divided by point 0.2.
this looks good to enter this week.
So with one or two green candles, I am set to go for a target of 10 or even 970, which should be a short-term target, say a month or less than a month. Because one good positive news and it will spike up.
And for those who are having average around $8, I would say you could still wait.
Yes, because there is a big gap in the month of June which requires to be filled in.
Yeah,
There's a gap in the month of June. This gap which requires to be filled in. You see this gap between 16 and 10 or 16 and 11. That is the gap that has to be filled in.
right. Shall we go to next talk?
Yeah.
So we discussed BlackBerry already. We covered CGX. Do we want to look
I would
ACV?
not look at
Adit,
oil. We have already discussed imperial oil.
yeah, this this would be following same as
What
energy
about
stock.
Cameo? Cameo, CCO.
CCO. Okay.
Why? Because it is giving me two buy signals in the indicators. That is why I said so. Where are we?
It's currently at
13.
12.96.
12.96, 13.
Yeah,
Take the weekly chart. Guys always come down from a higher time frame to a lower time frame. That's the way of finding out a chart. Now you see this chart on a weekly chart. This $13 is a very strong resistance which it is tending to breach now. अपन मार्च के महीने में क्या न्यूज आई थी इसको मार्च मिड मार्च के बाद
this one.
हाँ suddenly it goes up 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 months of consecutive rise weekly rise mid March to almost about mid May
Mid May.
9 weeks of consecutive rise.
Cameo up despite extending production suspension. So there was news which kept it taking up.
All right, again energy stocks. No, this is not. Is it energy? No,
It's
energy and mining.
non-energy minerals,
Hmm.
metal minerals.
Basically mining and metals.
Yeah.
Ah, 1296. What is the RSI currently?
This is weekly
इसको keep
chart.
it, keep it, keep a day chart now.
Yeah, that's what I was changing.
Now
So our
analyze on day chart.
yeah, RSI is currently 33.85, which is closer to oversold. Williams R is indicating that
88.
it's yeah, it's It's starting
turned.
to move up.
And instead of RSI, if you take CCI,
CCI just
it's
slightly
turned up
turned
also.
up. Yeah.
So now you realize this, and now you look at the candle. Look at the last candle now. ये cursor थोड़ा left right ले. See the last candle. It tried to go down, but the market has pushed it up. What is it called? Tahir has explained all this to us. I'm not going to be naming it. But what is this in telling you from the market's point of view? Market will not let it fall further. It's pushing it up. And the volume is slightly higher than the average volume. Slightly higher than the average volume. So if it gets one good momentum, one good news, it's ready for an uptake of up to 15.
Yes.
15 or 16 and a half, whatever it is. The last calendar is at 1296.
1296. So like 13 and
1270. 1270 is the low.
right.
1270 is the candle low.
Right.
Again, 20 cent or 25 cent stop loss. If somebody wants to take a chance. And same, $2 or $3 run.
Yeah.
Or take a $0.50 stop loss and take a $3 run. 1:6.
6.
What is the low since COVID?
That
नहीं.
time it was 8.
नहीं. वो छोड़ दो. After this rise,
Okay. After
the low has
after
not been touched.
yeah, after that rise, this low was
Only on the green
13.11.
candle.
This one on this red candle.
That was 13.11. We are already at 12.70.
Right. We have gone even lower than that.
Lower than that.
So there's high
Probability of coming
taking.
down also. Either probability of coming down, or it could be just that it could turn around from here and go up.
Yeah.
Because indicators are turning around. I would rather watch it on Monday, and if I see a green candle, I'll buy it with a low of 12.70. So either Monday afternoon or Tuesday, I would buy it with a stop of 12.70.
Right. And with a target price of at least $15. 15.
Yes.
15.3.
So it gives me $2 for a stop loss of about $0.50. 1:4.
Okay. Shall we go to next? We have.
So we have two stocks today already taken out.
Yeah.
Cineplex and Cameo.
Cameo.
What about the last Cron Grow? I'm not looking at Canopy at all. Sorry. I'm not looking at Canopy.
So both of these are cannabis. Even Kronos is cannabis.
Kronos is also cannabis.
Yeah. So ACB, weed, and Chrono, all three are cannabis.
Canadian people are very fond of weeds. Yeah. Can you change your indicators? Williams are less than 70.
Vivek, we are less fond of weeds actually. That's why it's down.
Less fond of
Weeds.
And that's why it's down.
That's the reason it is down.
All right. Now what do you have? And
Okay.
change your last from what is it? 5.
5.
Keep it 15. Now what do you have? Again, energy stocks.
With Imperial, TCS Energy, and Rage. Yeah, all energy.
All energy stocks. Now you realize that through indicators you are realizing that energy stocks are also coming back into buying front. Now each time you're looking at SAR in this indicator, minute the SAR value goes below your last, it's a time to buy. Or your last is below the BB low, Bollinger Band low, it's a time to buy, or close to it. Now you look at Enrich, it is very close. It's very close. You look at TC Energy, it's very close. just 3 cents. So that means it is very close and getting ready to buy, which is why you have CCI as a buying signal, you have Williams R as a buying signal, RSI is showing a neutral value. Because when RSI turns 40 or 45, he will go into a buy zone. Can you do CCI minus 75 or minus 80 or minus 65? Minus 75 or minus 65, whatever you decide.
Minus 75 I'll take.
Air Canada has come into the picture.
And then PPL is again energy.
EPL also, yes.
What do you suggest about the Air Canada? I'm holding off at 16.6.
Welcome to the group. I'm
Yeah.
also holding it.
Yeah. If it is down, then
I'm
Canadian-
positive on Air Canada. I'm very positive on Air Canada.
I'm also on it. Yeah, because if it
Let's
is anything
chart.
happen,
Let's see what the chart says. See
Yeah.
the chart now.
so Canadian government pulling back up, right? If something happened to Air Canada, right? Airlines, so definitely they
I
will.
think last time I was talking about how Air
Bank-
India is unfreezing its aircrafts, and somebody was saying the same thing about Air Canada also unfreezing its aircrafts, getting them to be operational.
Yeah.
That is exactly why the last 3 are green candles.
Yes.
It is near the lower Bollinger Band, but they are green candles. So there is accumulation happening over here. They are not letting it fall very further down. The lowest it will go down is to 15,
15. Yeah.
which was in August, July end or August.
Yeah. I was.
Yes, that's it. 15.02. And the next candle after that, immediately after that, 15.03. So 15 is a very strong buying support for Air Canada.
So lowest, if it is fall down, then it's 15.02.
So you buy it around 15.10 or 15.5.
15. Yeah. Like Friday, I put the limit 15.35.
Yes.
But didn't get it.
Because you must have put the limit as per the last red candle.
Yes.
Last red candle must have been around 15.35.
Yeah, exactly.
15.28. 15.21.
Yeah.
15.21 was a low. So you took 15.35. That's a good price to buy. 15.35. Keep your limit order as it is. If it triggers, it will help you to average your price and take it up further.
Exactly. Yes.
And this time, get out at 19. Don't
19.
wait for it.
Yeah, 19 is because if you see
$4 is a very good money, yeah.
Yeah.
You have averaged it down and you getting it out at 90 at $4. You're buying it at 15.35 at $3 plus. You're getting about 30% return.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah, it has touched 19 3 times almost. Here it closed on 19 and it had touched and it closed on 19.
Within a month time, it reached to the 19, I believe, right? Yeah, 18.92.
That is when the people were getting relaxed about COVID restrictions.
Yeah, they go for a vacation.
September first week and second week onward.
Yeah.
And they started planning for your Christmas vacations and beyond. Next summer vacations. That is when the airlines were feeling jubilant about it. So the next time it touches 19 or 1910, get out of your holding and say thank you very much. Come back again at 15.50.
Yeah.
How long would it take to get to 19, roughly?
As they say, the stock market falls very fast, but climbing is slow. You can climb the building if you're taking the stairs slowly, but coming down, you can come down very fast. That's the reason also with in stock market. It climbs slowly, but it's a steady climb. It will definitely be there. At the same time, if you ask me, it's a dividend paying. I don't know if it's a dividend paying company or not.
Air Canada doesn't pay dividend.
Doesn't pay dividend. So then find out. But it's a healthy company, big capitalizations, so secured, and volumes are also always pretty good.
Excuse me, guys. Can I use this platform to my transaction, or I have to use the bank account for that?
No, this platform cannot be used for trading. It is for
Yeah.
analysis. So for doing the transactions, if you are within Canada, you could use Simple Trade. If you have social insurance number, you could register with
Yeah.
Simple Trade. If you
Yeah.
are outside Canada, then you could.
No, I'm in Canada. Okay.
Okay, yeah. So then you could use Simple Trade as it is commission-free platform,
Yeah.
and you won't be charged for buying and selling.
Okay.
Since it's a Canadian stock, it's registered on TSX.
But unfortunately, they don't have an account for RSSB, I guess. Or, yeah, I think they have already. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
maybe if you are in group 2, I think yesterday we were having discussion about opening an account with Simple Trade. I can share the video again, wherein we have
Yeah, thank you.
5 steps of how to start trading on Simple Trade.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome. Yep, we are almost close to 3:30. Are we good? I was thinking if we run the same screeners.
Save it with the name, no? You'll enjoy it.
Yeah, I think I don't know with what name it got saved. I'll check later.
No issue. It didn't get saved. Apple is there. No, you change your.
Yeah, I just changed the stock market because there are members trading in US market as well. So we'll just see the list of stocks which appears in the screeners, and then we can.
Yeah, but you have to change your screener. You have to do your screener again. No, keep a last one.
Yeah, last I kept.
Yeah. Carry on. Need the volume.
CCI. Did it work? Oh,
Just go and search on top now. Go fast रहेगा.
Liamsar and
RSI and SAR. Why don't you save this first? With a different name. 10 minutes में आराम से हो जाएगा. On the most capitalized, save screen as.
-75.
हाँ, -100 तो zero हो जाएगा.
There were still stocks. CCI. Here we need to take higher volume. Yes.
Take it 1 million if you want. 100,000.
And last price, I'll keep $10.
Below? Or you're looking at penny stocks?
That will be for offline. Okay.
Put a filter
So,
on
yeah.
RSI also. Put a filter on RSI. ठीक है रहने दे, ऐसे check कर ले.
RSI below.
Below or equal to 40. 45 or 40.
Still have lot many stocks. 127.
One second. Then take the value. Either the last thing.
How much?
$20 or what you want.
Down to 40. RSI I'll reduce less than 30.
35%. 19 matches.
I'll increase to -85. We have 11 matches. Internet retail. PDD.
Don't look at the top 3-4. Start looking at, actually remove the ETFs and all from this, no?
Yeah,
Exchange तो ठीक है. You can choose.
Here.
हाँ, इसमें. 6. US stock screeners. हाँ, ठीक है.
It didn't say. Yes. Okay, so we have this 6 stocks. HES, IONS, which is Pharma, Liberty, ABBV, ExxonMobil, which is again energy, and then EOG.
So one is an oil company, other is resources, one pharma, I don't know what ABV and the other two are. Liberty, ABV and HES.
Yeah, ABB is health tech.
Health again. Liberty is consumer. This is cable television. This should go up if you ask me.
Yeah, people sitting at home, they would be watching more.
Exactly. So this should be a good buy process, and everything is neutral. 1 second. Where are you on price? 2012. Star is 21. And lower Bollinger Band is 2010. Now look at this. Lower Bollinger Band and last close. Then look at ExxonMobil. Lower Bollinger Band and last close. And look at Ions Pharmaceuticals. Again, lower Bollinger Band and last close. Three of them. 1, 2, and 3. You can check the chart if you want. Otherwise, these are the three ones which I will look at it. Ions, Liberty, and ExxonMobil.
Exxon.
ExxonMobil. Yeah.
So I think these screeners should be helpful.
Now on the same screener, you can just change the country and you get the same screener working. When you want to check your things for your same screener, just change the country.
The screener,
So now you set the same new for Canada.
Yeah.
Because we have changed the value.
Range.
The ranges have been changed. Even the values have been changed.
Yeah. But even the screeners have changed.
Even the headings have changed. So you have to resave
Yeah, I have to put it again. Anyways, I think what we had before, because we changed the volume, so there are some more.
Yeah, they are also coming. So now when you get the ratings also over here, and you get the volumes, that gives you an indication as to which are the big counters that you can comfortably walk in. Exxon is at 32.6 million, very highly traded volume. I would play on this. I would play on Liberty at 2 million and Ions at 1.8 million. Or even Hess Corporation if I require, but that gives you volumes to play on.
Right.
But again, most of them are energy companies or pharma companies.
Yep. So I hope these screeners would be helpful for people on call and maybe those who are watching the recording. And I would say that I think we can end the session since it's under one minute.
Thank you very much.
Are we okay? Yep. Thank you all for joining. Thank you, Vivek sir. Thank you, everyone who
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
has been hanging.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Kamal.
Yeah. Hope you all have a wonderful trading session.